Warm up 10 times tables, let's go. 1 times 10 is 10. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times 10 is 30. 4 times 10 is 40. 5 times 10 is 50. 6 times 10 is 60. 7 times 10 is 70. 8 times 10 is 80. 9 times 10 is 90. 10 times 10 is 100. 11 times 10 is 110. 12 times 10 is 120.
Hi guys, welcome back to Anea's Finances. I'm Anea, I'm 9 years old, and today we'll be talking about addition. Today I've got a special guest with me, my cousin Nevaeh. Hi. Nevaeh, do you know how to work out this sum, 2 plus 5?
No.
Well, here's how you work it out. You start at 2 here and add on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number have we landed on, Nevaeh?
7.
So, 2 plus 5 is?
7. Shall we do another sum?
Yeah. What sum should we do?
6 plus 5.
Okay, but you can write on the number line this time.
Okay. So first we have to start on the number 6, then add on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What number have we landed on, Nevaeh?
We've landed on the number 11.
So 6 plus 5 is 11. Let's do one more. Maybe we should do 8 plus 6. So we will start at 8 and we'll add on 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What number have we landed on, Nevaeh?
We've landed on the number 14.
So 8 plus 6 is 14. Thank you, Nevaeh, for being here. I'm very grateful.
You're welcome.
I know, guys, that maths can be very hard, but if you keep working, you will get better and you can do it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications for all my newest videos. See you next time.
Bye.
Just be you. Be yourself, not anyone else. We are not perfect. Just be you. Believe in yourself. Don't change for others to like you. Never allow anyone to decide who you're supposed to be. You are who the Creator says you are. Just be you.